The smell of petrol and oil. So, last Sunday I had a chance to visit a classic car show or a rally. Let me check how it's called exactly. The 66th the 66th International Rally, Barcelona, Sitges. So it's a kind of rally held here in Spain. The participants start their route in Barcelona and they go to the Sitges, a famous city here on the coast of Catalonia or Catalonia. And there are a lot of old style cars. I didn't expect these kind of cars are moving by themselves at all, so it was super interesting for me. I don't know how many cars were participating, but there were quite a lot of cars, some brands that I never saw in my life. I didn't even know they exist. The cars are in great condition in general. They are moving by itself. There was a car with a passenger sitting in the trunk. How cool is that? And I think it was designed like that, to have passengers there. There was this interesting red car that looks amazing for me, with all of the switches, with all of the levers, the pipes and everything. For me it's like, wow. There was very cool fireman truck with a real fireman on it. Well, real. Don't believe everything I tell here. People are wearing some costumes. I really enjoyed it and I'm happy I had a chance to visit it. As I live in Barcelona area, it was quite easy for me to reach the place. We went to Sitges. It's a very nice city. If you will be visiting this region, I recommend to stop in Sitges and enjoy some nice places. It was a bit too crowded for me, as I don't like big crowds in general. It was a bit stressful, but everyone was interested to see these kind of cars. The smell in the air of the petrol engines running, for me it's like, wow, so cool. Although my girlfriend didn't like it so much, but I don't judge her. But I realized that this car behind me is not so old. It's a very modern car actually, with all of the parts being metal or plastic, no wooden part here, with a battery and electrical starter, with the lights inside of the car. It's a quite modern car. I thought we have an old style classic car here, but no, it's a very modern one. Nevertheless, I am very excited to start working on that, to start restoring, to start fixing it and to drive it. And after visiting this rally, I have even more fire in me, more motivation to start. So I hope I can find some time for that very soon, because lately I was very busy with my work in the airport. I couldn't arrive here for last 3 weeks and I didn't do anything here. I'm very sad about that, but I had to work on the things that bring me money. What can we do? Sad, but this hobby is a second task, not the main priority. Now I'm going to prepare my motorbike for riding. I plan to do some repairs, but I'm going to use it as my main transport next days, so no time to fix things, no time to repair anything. I will just clean it a bit now. And I'm going to enjoy the ride, because it's a great weather here already in Spain. It's quite warm, 20 degrees during the day, very sunny. So I will grab my helmet and I will enjoy the ride, enjoy the road. That's it for this little update from the paradise. Stay tuned and hopefully see you next week. Ciao!